Now it has to be meaningful discussion, not within yourself, within you and the salt pen workers, within you and me, right? So all your efforts, all your energies, all your focus has to be on the camp for which you have come here for tomorrow.
I knew about how the salt is made, and I'm really proud of how they do it. They need a lot of energy, and they have these patterns and techniques how to lay down the salt and how to plow it. I'm proud of them because they work a lot, though they get less wages.
I got an injury yesterday, but still I want to do it naturally because I want to feel the expenditure, how they feel.
It was hard work, but definitely enjoyed.
It was a little bit tough in the starting as salt was a bit hurting in the leg, but then after some time I got adapted to that situation and my legs started fitting in that situation.
It's actually a new experience. In the starting it actually hurted while walking in the salt, but then this is the hardships they do regularly, so I tried to do that and it was fun.
કયા ધોરણમાં ભણે પેલા અને શું બનવાનું મોટું થયું